everyone, it's Pam. Welcome back to another episode of my weekly weight loss vlog series. First off, I want to apologize. I missed last week. I'm sorry. I came down with some kind of summertime bug and it really put me behind schedules. But I thought I'd talk about in this vlog about alternative places to exercise, because to be honest with you, there are times when the fitness center isn't open when it's convenient for me, and sometimes when it is open and it's convenient, sometimes it's just way too crowded and it's too noisy and I don't want to deal with it. So I thought some of you might be in the same situation that I am, where getting to the gym just isn't very practical or isn't enjoyable when it's overcrowded and too loud. So I thought we'd show you some alternative exercising you can do at the park. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this weight loss vlog. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up. Let me know you like it and poke that like button below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please poke that subscribe button and ring the bell so you know every time I upload a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. I'll see you next week.
Video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.